Am I the only one that didn't know you could get Office 365 in just 5 minutes without risking your laptop's life? Yep, no more pirate sites. Here's how to do it, step by step. First up, get a real product key or a Microsoft 365 subscription. You can buy one online from the official Microsoft site or grab a product key card from a trusted store. Trust me, your computer will thank you. Next, head to www.office.com/setup in your browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Don't have one? No worries, just click Create Account. It's free and takes just a minute. Now enter your product key if asked. Sometimes it's automatic, so don't stress if you don't see the box. After redemption, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install Office 365. Quick tip: if you hit any problems, double-check your internet connection and make sure you're logging into the right account. And that's it. No pirates, no headaches, just Office 365 ready to go. Stay smart, stay legal.